In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email with Insightly CRM. We're going to walk through a simple, repeatable process you can use anytime you need to send an email directly from a contact's record. This is especially useful when you want your communication to be logged automatically in the CRM, so your whole team can see the full history with that person. First, start by opening the contact record for the person you want to email. From your Insightly dashboard, go to your contacts list and search or scroll until you find the right contact. Make sure you open the actual contact record, not just hover over it. Once it's open, you should see their details, like their name, organization, and any recent activity on their profile. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the correct contact helps avoid sending a message to the wrong person. Next, look to the top right corner of the Contacts page and find the Actions menu. This is usually a button or drop-down that groups together the different things you can do with that contact, such as editing their info or linking them to projects. Click on Actions to reveal the available options. From that Actions menu, choose the option labeled Email this contact. This tells Insightly that you want to send an email specifically to the primary email address that's saved on this contact's record. If this option isn't available, double-check that the contact has a valid email address entered in their details. Without that, Insightly won't know where to send the message. After you select Email this contact, an email composition window will open. Here, you can type out your subject line and the body of your message. Take your time to write clearly and professionally, since this email will be part of the contact's permanent history in the CRM. If your account has templates set up, this is a great place to use them to save time and keep your messaging consistent. You can also quickly personalize the message with the contact's name or details you see on their record. Once you've reviewed your subject, checked the recipient address, and proofread your message, you're ready to send. Click the Send button to deliver the email. Insightly will send it and automatically log it under the contact's activity, so you and your team can reference it later and keep track of the ongoing relationship.